Hey everybody, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. I have a new video for you today. A very important video on hacking. Question is your computer being hacked into? Is somebody spying on everything you do on your computer? Well, today we're going to find out. And I'm going to show you how to stop that if somebody's in your computer. Why do people spy on your computer and hack into you? Because they're trying to steal your money, your credit card information. And today we're going to put a stop to it. So without further ado, let's get to the video. First thing I want you to do is right click on the start button, left click on run, and I want you to type in NETPLWIZ and hit enter. This box will pop up. And what you want to do is you want to look at the box and see who's logged in. Now, as you can see on mine, it says administrator. It should say one person logged in your computer. If there's any other people logged in underneath it, somebody's hacking into your computer. And what you would do is you'd highlight it and go down and hit remove and then hit apply and OK. I hope this video helps you. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you in the next video.